Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to locate your seed phrase on Bitget wallet. Okay, some of you chatted me on WhatsApp and was asking me how can you locate your Bitget seed phrase that you did not save it. So in this video now, I'll be teaching you step by step on how you're going to locate your seed phrase in your Bitget wallet. Okay, anytime you are registering on anything crypto wallets, make sure that you save your key phrase. Remember, they said not your key phrase, not your money. If you're registering on any crypto wallet and after registration you didn't save your seed phrase somewhere safe, if something happens to your phone or maybe you lost your phone, then you decided to buy a new one, you decided to download a new Bitget wallet and to import the other account, because you didn't save the key phrase, you will not be able to import it. Okay, you can only import it when you save the key phrase. So it's very, very important that you save your key phrase. Save it offline, write it on a paper, save it offline and also save it online. Okay. So once you log into your Bitget wallet, it's going to show you like this. Your dashboard is going to be like this. So the next thing that you're going to do is to click on wallet. You click on this wallet. Okay, so you click on this Bitget, this place. You click on it. So as you can see on my wallet, okay, as you can see on my wallet, if you haven't backed that wallet up, like if you haven't backed it up at all, as you can see, this one I haven't backed it up. I created it, but I'm not using it for anything, so I did not back it up. This one, I'm not using it for anything, so I did not back it up. So if you click on it now, assuming you have not backed your own up for the first time, if you click on it now, as you can see, they say back my mnemonics, back up mnemonics. That is seed phrase. You can call it mnemonics or seed phrase. Okay, so you click on it, you put your fingerprint. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you to back it up. Okay, so as you can see, I covered mine. You're going to write your own down. Write it down. You cannot copy it, so write it down. After you must have written it down, you click on backup mnemonics. Okay, you click here to back it up. Okay, so once you click on back it up, they're going to tell you to arrange it. They're going to tell you to put number 12. Okay, to put number 8, to put number 5. Okay, remember in the previous place, before you come to this place, they were written it number by number, so you make sure that you don't mix up your own, so that you'll be able to input the word on the number 12, on number 8 and number 5. Okay, so I'm going to do mine now. Okay guys, so once you are done arranging it, as you can see, I've put in my own words. Okay, so once you're done solving your own, you click on confirm. Okay, so once you confirm it, your wallet is ready. Okay, so as you can see, my wallet 6 is ready. There's no more backup here. So the next thing I'm going to do, you can name it if you want to name it. Okay, so you click on it, you click on it here to name it if you want to name it. Okay, so you click on management, you click on management wallet 6. Okay, so you click on this place to name it. Okay, you click on this place, you can name it. Click on custom name. You can, so if you have already saved your key phrase somewhere and you cannot have access to it, you don't know how to get it again, you don't even know where you keep it, the one you wrote down, you don't know where you keep it, and you want to see your key phrase, the first thing that you're going to do is to click on your wallet as usual. You click on wallet, you click on this place. Okay, So you click on management. If it is wallet keys that you're looking for, you click on this place. Any wallet that you're looking for, you click on this pen arrow that is there. So once you come here, you click on this private key, okay, or view mnemonics. It's good that you save the private key and also save the mnemonics, okay. So once you click on it, view mnemonics, they said keep your mnemonics phrase private. It is your wallet password. Our staff will never request it, so refrain from disclosing it to anyone to safeguard your assets, okay. So you click on view mnemonics, then you save it, okay. So you back it up, you write it down and save it. I hope you understand. Also, after saving your mnemonics, make sure that you also save your private key. Very, very important. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. Thank you.